Hi everyone, my name is Grace Olivia Kelly. I am from Rumble M. My accent is 15. So today I want to explain about 12 tense that I have studied. First is simple present tense. Simple present tense is a form of verb to express a fact, habit, or event that occurred at this moment. This is example for simple present tense. First is from journal Primary Education in Remote Indonesia, survey result from West Kalimantan and East Kalimantan. The sentence is table 3 presents the sample size and population number in the studies area. This sentence is simple present tense because table 3 is subject, present is verb 1 plus S, the sample size and population numbers is object, in the study area is complement. The second example is from children books, The Girls Who Never Made Mistakes. The sentence is worry, you don't make mistakes. The sentence is a negative simple present tense because there is in the word done. This sentence is simple present tense because explain what is happening, and the sentence shows the expression of feelings and emotion. Next is simple past tense. Simple past tense is a simple verb form to indicate that event occurred in the past. Example, first is example from journal The Effect of English Learning in Elementary School on Student English Language Development in Junior High School. The sentence is the participant received from 10 to 90 hours of EF all ES in grades 5 and 6 of local public elementary school. The sentence is a simple past tense because it talks about something that has happened in the past. The second example is from children books, The Girls Who Never Made Mistakes. The sentence is, when she stepped outside to greet her friends, she didn't forget to say good morning and thank you. This sentence is a simple past tense because it talks about something that has happened in the past. Next is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is described events that are happening in the past and are still going on until the second incident occurs. Example from the children books, The Girls Who Never Made Mistakes. The sentence is, the school auditorium was packed. Beatrice felt her stomach jumping around inside her. This sentence is a past continuous tense because it describes an event that was happening in the past and is still going on until the second activity occurs. Next is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is actions that are going on now or when the talks are in progress. So the action had already begun and hadn't and when he talked took place. And I didn't find anything about past continuous tense on journal or children's book. Okay. Next is simple future tense. Simple future tense is a state that an action occurs in the future spontaneously or planned. Example from the journal, the effect of blended learning model on senior high school students' achievement. The sentence is, at the end of the learning, both two groups will equally given post-test to see the results of the learning model that has been given. The sentence is a simple future tense because it describes an event that will occur in the future. I didn't find the simple future tense on the girl who never made a mistakes. So next is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense shows the event that was complete at the present time but still has something to do with it, and there is no mention of the time description. Example from journal, vocational training and trade teaching in the public school. The sentence is whether or not they have reached the highest grammar grade. The sentence is a present perfect tense because of situation that has begun in the past and still continues until now, or has been complete at a certain point in time in the past, but the effect still continues. Next is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is stating an event that has been done in the past and the deed is still going on today and is possible to continue until the future. Yeah, the example is they have been learning English for 2 years. They have, this is affirmative, and negative is they have not been learning English for years. It's a negative, and interrogative is have they been learning English for years? And I didn't find the present perfect continuous tense sentence from journal and children's book. And next is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is a tense which used to indicate the action that began and finished in the past before any other action start in the past. Example from journal Education in Indonesia. The percentage of Indonesian over the age of 25 that had attained at least a bachelor's degree in 2016 was just under 9%. The laws of all the member states of the Association of Southeast Asian Nation or ASEAN. The sentence is a past perfect tense because it has a sentence formula. The percentage of Indonesia over the age of 20 is a subject, and had Had is had. Attained is verb 3. And at least a bachelor's degree in 2016 was just under 9%, the lowest of all the member states of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN. Is complements who never made mistakes. Okay, next is past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is events that have occurred and are going on in the past until a certain point in time in the past as well. The example affirmative is they had been playing tennis. Example negative is they had not been playing tennis. The sentence interrogative is had they been playing tennis? And I didn't find the past perfect continuous tense in storybooks or journals. Next is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is tense to describe an action that will be happen at specific time in the future. Example from the journal is the journal "This Land Is Your Land" is Marcia. Okay, we will be arrive in New York City very soon. The sentence is a future continuous tense because it states an event that will occur at a certain time in the future. And next is example from children's books, The Girls Who Never Made Mistakes. The sentence is, and everyone will be watching. The sentence is a future continuous tense because it has a sentence formula. Everyone is subject, will be is will be, and watching is verb plus ing. Next is future perfect continuous tense. The tense that describes actions that will continue up until a point in the future. This is an example. I will have been eating vegetable for 3 months. And next, and I didn't find the future perfect continuous tense on the storybooks or sentence type 1, type 2, and type 3. For type 1 is a presupposition sentence used in the result has the possibility of happening in the future. The formula is if plus simple present, comma, simple future tense. The example is, if I go to London, I will see the Big Ben. Type 2 is a presupposition sentence used to express when a consequence or result can be realized. Also, the probability is very small for it to materialize. The formula is if plus past tense, comma, past future. The example type 2 is, if I were an astronaut, I would travel in a spaceship. Masya Allah, gangguannya. Oke. Terakhir. Next is a type 3, a presumption sentence used when wanting to express a condition that is unlikely to be realized at all. The formula is if plus past perfect, comma, future perfect. The example is, if I had studied hard, I would have passed my exams. And that's all. That's all for me. Thank you. Bye. Good night.